Welcome to Electra Palace Athens Hotel in the heart of Athens. Elegant luxury, complemented by majestic views of the Acropolis that can be enjoyed from their rooftop restaurant, pool, rooms, and suites. The Electra Palace is the perfect luxury hotel to spark up the romance. Enjoy breakfast with the Acropolis in the background. When the sun goes down, the city lights up as you enjoy your cocktail at the rooftop bar. As we tour a superior room type, you will notice the marble tile bathrooms, bathroom amenities, hair dryer, bathtub and shower, bathrobes, slippers, iron and ironing board, and a light-up closet for plenty of storage. The room also has an ice bucket, glasses, mini bar, complimentary tea and coffee in room. You have a desk with a chair. You also have a nice sofa and a nice soft chair. King-size bed with soft duvets, custom furniture, large mirror, beautiful hardwood floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows. This is the place you want to stay when you are in Athens, the Electra Palace Athens Hotel. Call A Premier Travel when you're ready to book that destination.